The Razer BlackWidow V3 is one of the brand's most affordable keyboards, priced at just 539 ringgit. And if you're in the market for a decent mechanical keyboard, then this should definitely be in your radar. So here are 5 reasons why you should consider getting the Razer BlackWidow V3. Number 1, its design. It's incredibly lightweight for a full-size mechanical keyboard, and it weighs at just 840 grams, which is important for those who plan on bringing this around, maybe for tournaments or even just LAN sessions with the boys. On top of that, the chassis is made of aluminium, so there's little to no flex, which is great for those who type with heavy hands. The keyboard comes in Razer's signature all-black look without any of that extra unnecessary gamer aesthetic or edginess, which is great, bar of course the full RGB lighting that you also get with the keyboard. For that added premium touch, the cable is also braided very nicely and you get plenty of routing options on the back of your keyboard as well. Number 2, the Razer green switches, which is clicky like the Cherry MX Blue. That and the 1.9mm of actuation point may be preferred by some, especially for those who like double tapping in game. Razer switches are now double walled, which means they are more stable and withstand dust better, and according to Razer, each switch is capable of withstanding up to 80 million keystrokes. One drawback that I find with these switches is the very obvious pinging sound. But one thing to note, however, is that my gaming setup is smaller and more closed off, so the pinging sound is more audible than usual. If clicky and loud just isn't for you, you can also opt to get the BlackWidow V3 with Razer's yellow switches, which are linear. Number 3, the software. Now with most Razer products, you'll be prompted to install Razer Synapse 3, which for me works just fine. And besides letting you design the kind of RGB you want to show up on your keyboard, it also lets you customize what each key does thanks to its macro programming. There's also Razer Hypershift that lets you program secondary functions on certain keys, allowing you more controls on the fly during a game session. On top of that, you can save up to 5 profiles on this keyboard, which is very convenient. Speaking of convenience, this leads us to number 4, the all-new volume roller and the new media playback button on the top right of your BlackWidow V3. I'm not gonna lie, the volume roller and the button here seemed a bit gimmicky at first, but I found myself using this on a day-to-day basis consistently because it's just that convenient for media playback and controlling your volume. Lastly, we move to number 5, its price. For 539 ringgit, the BlackWidow V3 is a nice mid-range option if you're looking for something that offers flexibility in the software department, which lets you program certain hotkeys and macros. But with that said, you will be able to find something that's cheaper but still offers the same kind of build quality and performance, but they don't pack the same kind of software. Love it or hate it, Razer Synapse 3 actually worked fine for me, especially with this keyboard, and it offered me all sorts of customization options. On top of that, there's also the new volume roller and the media playback button, which I mentioned earlier, and I think it's a really nice addition. Although simple and may seem gimmicky at first, is actually very, very useful. With all that said, the Razer BlackWidow V3 is great for gamers and writers who are a bit tight on a budget, and in some cases, it can be pretty good for streamers as well. If you're interested in getting the keyboard, visit our store, Good Deals by KLGG. Link is in the description box or comment section below. New users can get 20 ringgit off this awesome keyboard. Remember to give us a like, subscribe, and this is Victor signing off.